Action! Cut! Okay, one more take. And cut! Good one, Yassi.
Sleepless nights, bright lights, and fatigue on the set, that can really be stressful. Hi guys! Stress can cause acne to take your glow away, and it makes me want to hide. Good thing I found Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash, an all-natural herbal face wash that cleanses my skin without harsh chemicals. It has neem to help clear acne and turmeric to keep it from coming back, to restore my skin's natural healthy glow. With Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash,
Ready for take.
hi guys! I'm ready for my next big scene. Let's glow!